What's up, all our fans? Don't forget to subscribe and better watch this video.
Yeah, watch it to the end. It's gonna be nice.
And don't forget to hit that like if you want to win some of these things in this video. Before we get started, I'm gonna show you how many subscribers we have. We have 26 subscribers. So like this video, subscribe, and it's the new year. It's literally 2022. We are so excited for 2022. It's gonna be so amazing, and yeah. So we're gonna do this new handshake thing. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Boom, see, boom, see. Yeah! Anyways, we'll get started with today's video. Let's go!
Let's go.
Today's video is showing you our brand new fidget wrap. Now, we have been having so much trouble organizing our fidget. And this definitely helps. So you see, we got basically show them, our
Spin.
everything that can spin. I know this doesn't count. Everything that can spin is basically not that.
I know this doesn't count, but there's no space.
There's no space for this, but I know it doesn't count. But there's no space, so yeah.
Small dimples.
Small dimples, and we got some pop-it pieces here.
Yep. Look at these.
Pop-it pieces.
Oh my gosh, and we got this.
Yeah.
It's one Smiggle. Oh yeah,
This
this smells like Smiggle.
This is so cool. And on our below rack, we have monkey noodles, pop-it.
Yeah, Papa, like, oh my gosh.
Stress balls, and down here we got more stuff. So we got more pop-its.
Oh, we got this.
We got let me show you. We got infinity cube, we got puzzle balls, we got pop tubes, we got squishies, we got lots of things. So me and my sister are going to show you what you can actually win by hitting that subscribe, like this video. So, first of all, you can win a mini pink pop tube. Wow.
Orange one.
Yeah, so we actually have stock of 3, so we can give away 3 different colors. Good luck. So we got this orange, this normal orange, really nice. My sister is going to be showing you how well they stretch.
And they stretch super well.
And how well they contribute. It's so cool. And the next one is this pastel orange. I'm going to show you how well this one stretches. It's really well. It's really cool. It's really good. The colors are beautiful.
This is good quality.
So we have stock of 3 only.
Yeah,
And
people
this one, not bought it, but subscribe and like this video to get it. So I'm going to show you how well this one stretches. This is a very nice pastel pink one. Very, very pretty.
We have a purple one, but we don't know where it goes.
We actually gave it away to one of our
Friends.
subscribers. That was our friend. So anyways, my sister is going to put these back so that we have stock. Next on, we're going to move to some awesome pop-its. We're giving away a duck. This one we only have 1 stock.
Snail.
Yeah, snail. I think pop-its we only have 1 stock.
Yeah.
So you better watch this because it's going to be so cool. We also have a strawberry. The strawberry we have actually 2 in stock here. I don't know whether we have more, but for now I can find 2 strawberries in stock.
Owls.
Yes, they're different color, but they're still owls.
2 owls.
So these ones are this one's has no nothing on the pops. It's not texture, and this one has texture, but they're basically the same shape. So yeah, so first now I think we have 2 in stock. We have a color changing poppet that we're giving
Apple
away.
glow in the dark.
Yes, glow in the dark
Only at nighttime
apple.
only.
Yeah.
Not outside inside your house anymore.
Yeah. So next one we actually have let me just check. Sorry guys. I have a hard time doing this. We have Among Us. We're giving away Among Us. Yeah, we have.
Among Us.
So I have this. We have two. There's this plain purple one, and I'm gonna show you how well this plain purple one pops. This is the bad side, and this is the good side. So this one is super good quality. So make sure you do it.
This one's not that good.
This one not that good. This is the bad side. Let me show you. And this is the good side. Good side's pretty good. So yeah. Anyways, oh yeah, we're giving away another dimple. This is super cool, super awesome. We're also giving away. Let me just see. We're also giving away some super cool stuff. Just find it.
Okay, wait, this is.
So we have a Christmas edition Poppet. This one we only have one. We're having a Christmas edition Poppet.
And we got the bang.
And we got a pal that we're giving away. So we have all of these. This one we're actually not giving away. Sorry, I'm mistaken. Anyway, yeah, so these are the ones that we're giving away, and we'll make a video about it when we give them away. So yeah, and we're gonna move on to some other ones now. We're going to move on to monkey noodles that we're giving away a few monkey noodles. So yeah, so we're gonna give away miniature monkey noodles. Our stress ball popped. Ew. Ew, this is so...
I'm gonna wash.
It's so gross. We'll cut back when we are done washing. Mommy, our stress ball burst. Where is it? On your floor. On the floor? Okay. I'm done. We still haven't cleaned up that mess yet. Don't worry, my maid's gonna help me clean that up. Anyways, I'm gonna show you. We're giving away these two tiny textured monkey noodles. I'm also giving away a sparkly monkey noodle. Sparkly, so cool. I'm giving away this sparklies. We have two in stock. You can see. We have two in stock. These are the two that we have in stock. And we have this that is in stock. We have a few textures in stock. This one is a lammy. Super cute lammy. And this is a unicorn. So yeah, so that's all the monkey noodles. And now we'll move on to the spinnies. So anyway, we have two of these. We have two. We also have.
My lips are white, a bit white.
Because he's super cold. It's been raining the whole day. We have pea poppers in stock. Two of them. We also have another mini monkey doll. We have
this little cute one. This is mine, so I'm gonna like this. I mean, like, if you subscribe and like.
So we have two infinity cubes. One is this one is this one. We actually had three.
We were 2 subscribers.
Oh yeah, we have 3 infinity cubes. So Let's see. One, two. This is a zippy bracelet that we're also giving away. We got 2 of these. One is the original, one is the purple one, and one is the galaxy. So cool. Anyway, that's all guys. Bye.